The Nokia 8 Sirocco is Nokia's most intense telephone until the Nokia 9 turns out. It packs the best equipment 2017 could offer, a Snapdragon 835 with 6GB of RAM. However, is that enough for 2018? Obviously it is. The Nokia 8 Sirocco may lose some engineer tests against the few telephones with the Snapdragon 845, Sony's Kryo XZ2 and Samsung Galaxy S9, however, is generally strangely quick for pretty much anything you would do with your telephone. The Snapdragon 835 is comprised of 8 Kryo centers, 4 timed at 2.5 GHz and another 4 working at a greatest of 1.8 GHz. Illustrations are taken care of by an Adreno 540.